Hey everyone, I'm Ryan at Marine Parts Source. Today I wanted to talk to you about one of the most popular products in all of the RV and marine industry, the Norcold DE0061 refrigerator. It's been a very popular refrigerator in both industries for decades. There's one problem, you just can't get it anymore. But first, let's take a little history lesson. Norcold is a company that was founded in 1959 in California. It started out as a small shop making specialty refrigerators for the marine and RV industry. But as those industries grew, Norcold grew along with it and became a major industry player, creating one of the most popular refrigerators in either market, which was the DE0061. Now, Norcold thrived for many years until they were finally purchased by a company called Thetford in 1997. Thetford has also been a major player in those industries for 50 years, making a variety of solutions for plumbing and sanitation, toilets, and much more. And combined, those two companies really have thrived for the past several decades, been a market leader in those categories. The Norcold DE0061 is a very special kind of refrigerator because it's like a household style of refrigerator in its size and capacity. And it's been very popular for RVs for 30 years or more. And the same for larger boats. It's been a really popular option because it offers so much capacity and basically the same comforts as your refrigerator in your kitchen at home. But in 2022, Norcold made the very tough decision to close down their Ohio factory, and because of that, the DE0061 is discontinued. You can't get them anymore. So if you're looking for a replacement, there hasn't been a solution, but we have one now. Introducing the Vitrifrigo DP2600, a feature-rich, modern alternative to the old Norcold style refrigerator. Vitrifrigo is a division of Rivacold, which is known for their quality and dependability across mobile and commercial cooling market. The DP2600 is made in Italy, like so many high quality boating products are, and one of the reasons why it's such an ideal replacement for the Norcold is because the cutout is almost exactly identical. So there are not that many options that are on the market to replace the Norcold DE61, but the Vitrifrigo is the closest fit. Since Vitrifrigo's refrigerator is a newer product, it was designed with newer technologies like modern forced air cooling. Norcold's original design used traditional methods. They did eventually update the Norcold DE61 to use those same modern forced air cooling technologies that Vitrifrigo is using, but one issue is that Norcold's original box design never changed, so they weren't able to improve on the capacity at all. That's another benefit that the Vitrifrigo refrigerator has over the old Norcold design, giving it up to 15% more internal capacity over the old Norcold units. That's about 1.1 cubic feet. So you can store even more in the Vitrifrigo refrigerator than you could the old Norcold DE61. The DP2600 uses advanced cooling technology with a ventilation condenser coil with fins. This type of technology is ideal for those larger refrigerators over 5.3 cubic feet in size. It's going to make sure that the refrigerator runs at maximum efficiency no matter how long you're using it. Another great feature about the DP2600 is that the black models ship with the door panel included. This was not something that the old Norcold units would do. You had to buy the door panel separately. But if you buy the black DP2600, you're going to get the door panel included with it. You can always upgrade to a premium stainless steel finish if you're interested in adding some more bling to your boat. The Vitrifrigo refrigerator also has an airlock option available, which is going to ensure that the refrigerator stays securely closed and properly vented at all times. There are two different options. It comes in either black or stainless steel. The black version is going to have a black airlock handle, while the stainless steel version is going to have the steel lock handle. Both handles feature an integrated vent position for when the unit is not in use, and they also feature a positive snap closure, which makes sure that there are no accidental openings of the door. It's going to be the closest fit to those old Norcold units. It's going to leverage all sorts of new modern technologies for cooling, and it's going to offer more internal capacity as well. It's the ideal upgrade. If you've got a Norcold DE61 and you would like to replace it, the Vitrifrigo DP2600 is your choice. Hopefully this has been a helpful guide for you if you're looking to replace your old Norcold refrigerator. But if you have any questions or concerns, just reach out. Our ABYC certified experts can help you With this upgrade or any other that you're trying to do on your boat, just give us a call at this number. And as always, you can find us online at marinepartssource.com. Please make sure to like and subscribe to this channel, and if you've got any other comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching.